Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve this HackerRank problem based on the string. The problem name is called toString. In this problem statement, we have to find some common substring from the given two strings. If we find the common string, then we have to return yes, otherwise no. Let's move to the input format. The first line contains single integer p, where p is the number of test cases, and the second line contains the pair of input. First line is s1, that is the first string, and second line is s2, that is the second string. Let's move to the sample input. In this simple input, we have given a 2, that is a number of test cases. Our function should pass for the first test cases. Given input is hello and word. In this input s1 and s2, h from the s1, I am checking into the s2, s is not present. I am checking e into s2, is also not present, but I am checking with l, but l is present in the s2, so my function should return yes, otherwise no. Let's move to the second input, hi and word. I'm checking h. I'm taking h from the s1 and finding into a s2. H is not present in s2. I'm moving to the next character, that is I. I'm checking in the second string s2. I is also not present. Then in this test cases, we should return no. Okay, let's move to the coding part. I am creating a character array to store any of the string in the form of character array. I am naming it char array is equal to, I am converting a s1 into character array, so that I can iterate each string and find into the another string, that is s2. You may choose any of the string for the character array, or you may choose any string to check if it contains the s1 elements or not. So okay, I am returning I'm checking into s2 dot index of any. It took a character array as an input, so that I first created character array. Okay, char array, and it will loop through the all element present in the character array. If it's find any item present in the character array, then it will returns index of that item, otherwise it will returns -1. Let's suppose we have a character array with 1 to h and I. And I'm checking in hello e hello. Let's suppose we have the first string hi, and second is HELLO. I am checking into S2 if index of any means in the character array having two elements any means I am checking for H also and I also. If any present in this string S2, it will return the index. For this cases it will return 0 because H present in the 0 index. If it is not, then it will return -1. So that I'm checking if the index not equal -1, it means we find any index, then we'll return yes, otherwise return no, because this function it returns -1. Index of any function returns -1 because no any character present in the character array found in the S2. Okay, so let me run this code. Yes, okay, sorry, I missed this question mark. Yes, it's pass the sample cases and submit this for the validation. Yes, it is also passed the all sample test cases without any time complexity or the timeout. So guys, if you like this video, please share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.